Is your dryer door struggling to stay closed? Maybe it opens up mid-cycle, or maybe it won't even stay closed at all. Well, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the components that might be responsible for that. We're using Whirlpool's door strike and latch kit to fix this dryer and keep it closed during its cycle. This also applies to some other great Whirlpool manufactured brands such as Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and more. So come along, it's simple, I'll show you how to do it, and let's get it done. If you need to purchase a door strike and latch kit for your Whirlpool dryer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. The door strike and latch kit includes various door strikes and latches, which sometimes can be referred to as a door catch. Either the strike or latch can fail and the dryer will not close or stay closed. This can be caused by normal wear or the strike getting bent and damaging the latch. Since this is a kit, we'll be replacing both the strike and latch in this video. Tools needed: putty knife, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers. First, we will remove the door strike by opening the dryer door and locating the strike on the front panel of the appliance. The strike is the metal part that protrudes from the dryer's front panel that meets up with the latch in the door of the dryer. Using your pliers, carefully squeeze the two sides of the strike together near the base of the strike. Once the sides are compressed, slowly tilt the strike so you can remove it from the front panel. The latch or catch is located on the top of the inside of the dryer door. To take the latch off, remove the two Phillips screws from the top edge of the door. The resistance from the door springs might be enough to separate the door panels, but if not, gently insert the putty knife between the inner and outer door panels near the latch to help separate the door panels. Only separate the door panels far enough to see the back of the door latch. With the back of the door latch exposed, you can see that the latch is held in by 4 points of contact. The top and bottom are held in by the plastic latch, and the sides are held in by the tabs on the metal bracket. Depress the bottom of the plastic bracket to get the bottom tab through the dryer door panel. Once that tab is through, carefully but firmly squeeze the tabs of the metal bracket and push the latch through the mounting hole in the door until the tabs are clear of the door panel. Once the bottom and the two sides of the tab are released, gently apply pressure to the top of the tab with your flat blade screwdriver until the latch releases from the door. If you need to purchase a new door strike and latch kit, make sure you get a manufacturer certified replacement part like the ones that we sell on our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to be sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to be sure you get the correct part. Before we cover the installation process of the strike and latch, let's take a closer look at what's included in this video. Inside the bag, you'll see 3 strikes, 2 of which are the same, 3 different latches or catches, and 1 screw. The 3 catches are color-coded and stamped with a different number on the metal banding. Because this kit works with many models of appliances, it will include some parts that may not apply to your particular appliance. I'll put some installation information for Whirlpool regarding this kit on the screen now. Feel free to pause the video and read this information if you have a different model dryer than what's featured in this video. To install your new door strike, first find the strike from the kit that matches the design of your strike you removed from your dryer. Our dryer uses the smaller style strike. Use your pliers to install the strike in the dryer's front panel. Be sure that the strike switch is vertical and is fully seated in the proper position. It is important to not squeeze the end of the strike that goes into the latch, as it can bend and prevent it from fitting properly into the catch. With the strike now installed, we will move on to installing the door latch. Reference your original door latch and match the number on the metal banding with one of the 3 latches included in the door strike latch kit. While the latches are all the same size, the numbers and colors on the banding reference the holding tension of each latch. Find the latch that best matches the latch that you removed. To install, make sure the slot in the latch is in the up and down orientation. As long as the slot is pointing up and down, there isn't a way to install it incorrectly. Press the latch firmly until all 4 tabs click into place. Reinstall the 2 screws on the top edge of the door and check that the door opens and closes properly. And look at that. Just like that, you've completed the repair. If you ever have any appliance repair needs in the future, always remember Parts Doctor. Check out our YouTube channel for some other great videos. We probably have a video for what you're looking to fix. I'm Dustin, and until next time, thanks for watching.